Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to copy your Facebook profile link on both mobile and PC. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up on mobile, just gotta tap on Facebook. Now go ahead over to your profile right here. Now, once you're on your profile page, you gotta go to the top, tap on the three dots, and then scroll all the way down. You'll be able to see either share profile or your profile link. Okay. You just tap on copy right here and then just tap on continue. Now go ahead and send it or share it wherever you want. And once done, you're good to go. You have share profile right here as well. Okay, you can just copy the link from here or send it directly to Messenger, WhatsApp, or any other installed messaging apps on your phone. Now, for desktop version, just gotta log into facebook.com. Same applies in here. Tap on your profile. Now go ahead and tap on the URL box at the very top. Tap on it once more. And here we have the full URL. So just copy it, right click and copy. And again, send it to whoever you want. There you have it. That's how simple it is to copy your Facebook profile link. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.